company had the minimum GPA requirement of 6.5 that all the companies have, and talking about the branch, they all of the branches were allowed to sit, and I have seen over the years they have been recruiting students between the GPA range of 6.5 and 7, so GPA doesn't play any important criteria in this company. I have been selected for market analyst training. We will be trading in international markets in interest rates, commodities and futures, and the company is also planning to expand into new markets. They will be also coming into Indian markets in the coming years. The selection process involved 4 rounds. The first round was the speed math round, in which they asked 36 questions and 36 questions in 6 minutes. There were basic questions of addition of 4 decimal numbers, 3 multiplication of 2 two-digit numbers, squares of 2-digit numbers, 3-digit numbers. The next round was the aptitude round, in which there were 30 questions to be solved in 1 hour. There were basic questions, basic aptitude questions, and around 5 or 6 English questions. The next round was the trading based game activity. This round is actually a bit tough for a newbie, and you need to have some experience of how trading in the real markets occur, knowing about the market depth and all. There was no group discussion round in this selection procedure. In our case, actually, the interview, they had a short window to conduct the interviews, and there were a lot of candidates. So they conducted the HR and the technical interview in 1 round, and so they were concentrating more on the technical part, and therefore they did not ask much about the PORs. But because they came on day 1, they had no time to conduct the interviews. But if they will be coming in day 2 or day 3, they will definitely be asking about the PORs, as they will be conducting a separate HR interview. The company did not give any weightage to the projects or internships. They did not ask any of the projects or internships in my case, and generally they do not ask because this is a trading firm and they are not looking for the core. They are not looking for your core projects. No, I wasn't any part of any college club. Yes, soft skills do play an important role in the selection procedure of companies. I have seen many of my friends getting rejected in the presentation or group discussion round because they were not able to express. I simply searched about the previous interview questions on the Glassdoor, and luckily in my case many of the questions were repeated. Some 2-3 questions came from what I had searched on Glassdoor. One of them was cube root of 7, and many of other questions. You can I will definitely suggest you to please check out all the previous year interview questions on Glassdoor and other websites. I used one of the websites for speed maths, that was zentech.arithmetic.com. That will definitely help you in the 6-minute speed round, because many of my friends got out in the first round only, and it is an important round for you in the placement process. The entire selection procedure was a bit competitive, as that involved 4 rounds, and I was a bit nervous in the 3rd round. That was the trading based gaming activity, and as I also participated in the internship in the 3rd year, and in that too I was rejected in the trading based game activity, and I had experience about the activity, so that helped me in the placement procedure. I would definitely recommend you to have a hands-on experience about trading before participating in that round. That will definitely help you. I would recommend you to check out the previous interview questions on Glassdoor and other websites. You should also be quick. You should also be practicing speed maths, as they will be asked in the first round, in the speed math round, and also in the interview. You should know all the shortcut tricks to calculate the squares of numbers for 2 by 2 multiplications and cube roots of 7 or 8, 6, and these type of questions that can be calculated by dy by dx method. That's